Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explore you about exchange BITBABY, where you can easily start your future or sport trading, and you can also get a smarter and grow faster financial freedom. So I'm going to search each and everything about it. Even you can also download from this app, the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So let's get started into the place. Note, we are not a financial advisor. Do your proper research before making any move. You can also come to the exchange where you can see here new startup. You are the new startup here. You will be also new token are here going to be listed. There are new events campaign you can even participate into. But next you can also find about your crypto assets. They are all listed with lots of numbers. You can easily understand. You can start trading. You can check out their updates. So next you can also find about the BITBABY, your ultimate AI trading the system. So where you find this is the AI that is going to help you the trading the best market reviews. This will be also you can analyze the strategies and copy strategy, and then you can also use it through AI strategy. And next you can also check about on the stop services, because the BITBABY in the one of the platform you can also going find 300 plus cryptocurrencies pairs. Okay, you can see here where you can select you start your trading in the opportunities, where you can going to our 24/7 team sporting, and they're also officially Twitter and Telegram. You can also check their available. It also be your faster response. Look at that here, a smart transformation, real side global search. And so what you are waiting for next, I have loved the feature of that also low fees, lowest trading fee here, and that is near in the minimum, and there are safety, reliable, and liability in the top minimal. There are also proof here of the reserves. And next to you can also check a new user upon registration. There are some tasks. And now you can see here there will be reward too. You can also download the application from Google Store and Apple App Store now. And now the multi-terminal sport start trading here. And now you can see store you can see easily manage your every anywhere. You can also time, you can easily start your trading experience. So journey with the BITBABY, there are also 300 plus pairs, and all given. You can also new, you can check it out, the link in my video description. Now if you are new on, check it out, the link in my video description. So you need to come on the options here that sign up and get. You can create your account. Look at that here, create your account, you need to sign up. Then you can also put your email address and password. That should be consist of a 6-digit referral code. The referral code I will provide with your description. You can accept the term and condition. First of all, you can see here, put your email address, password, referral code. Referral code provided in the description now. So term and condition, click here, create your account, and your account will be created on your wanted long through Google or Telegram login. It's also available. So you guys check it. So here I'm going to write all information. Here I have written successfully my email password. Now you can check it here, check it out here. Account will be need to put you on this captcha. Basically we will select here, and that will be verified. After that you can check it out, successfully done. And now there will be code sent to your email address. It's also be security to there. You can also check it out here. I received the code, so 6 digits in my email, and now I have right there like my code. But you will also get here, I record your email, and then you can click in the next passcode successfully. And all the process have been completely done, and now looks very awesome. Now you can also check the complete. Now you can also get the reward completions. Right, we'll also gear, you can how it will become also join the campaign. So where there be B2B, you can also go into lots of opportunities, and that will be show get official Twitter and Telegram. So you have already to be the latest updates. You can also one of the member to fair after sign up successfully. And now you can also here, you can mean there, you can also get a daily check rewards here. Also click on there, also daily, click here, and on there now you can see here the 20 baby coin have been given to us. And now you can see also there are other friends, and then you can also check there like the 10 baby per 100 baby coin will be given plus. And blind books here, book look a person who can invite your platform. So you can also check this here and check this link here. And now remember, you can also going to be under your link here where you can create your account. You can also start here. And now your new epic journey here, sign up the bonus. So you can also click here, and then I already click updates about next. You can also check about their lots of tasks, and there you're going to complete in the like sport for the future. And you can see there need to create your volume if you want to invite friends. There are limited time tasks here, also other like campaigns. And you can see here, well, you can see they also participate into the BitBABY trading and carnival. They're also waiting for. You can also grab their chances, register trade, and you can see here, and you can view trials funds. And next you can also check about their details of BitBabies. And now you can see the exclusive task here at baby coin stores. And now look at that here, 100 10 USD here. You can claim now and campaign here. And now the baby task are daily task. You can date from the daily task here. So look at that here, BitBABY trading reward will be start new epic journey. The $100 and their trading volumes are will be 10,000. There you can also $30 reward trial fund. And now you can see you have right to be there some rules and regulations. You have accepted the term and condition. Basically, these are things you need to understand the baby store. You can get the $10 in the future trial fund. I have shown you how to actually you can going to complete some task, and you can also give your next you also find after coming the BitBABY financial official page. So where you also be like this here, a whole crypto exchanges where you're going to come easily download application and understand you can newly people are here complete want to start new journey. So enable start future trading here, also spot trading here. You can analyze the lots of pairs available. You can also choose. It's also complete details. You understand mean complete simply way, but if you want to know about their cross and you can leverages that 150x mean loss of really man, and lots of that you are going to get their leverages. And you can also next you can also check it out. There are things here you can easily start your future, and you can also do the future means. And now I hope you understand everything about the platform here. Actually, these are things you need to understand. I already given to details here. So thanks for watching my video. I see you in next video. Then take care and goodbye.